Are BYBIT trading bots legit? People have made 25 million with MEV bots or maximum extraction value bots. BYBIT trading bot, is it worth it or is it not worth it? This is the thing that's actually been used, and these are just bots. I'm going to be explaining how you can actually make money with BYBIT trading bots or MEVs or all of this. So this is a pretty important thing. There's about, as I see here, 40, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 bots. So there's three kind of trading bots: DCA, spot grid, future grid. So the future grid is like ideal for any market condition, multiply your earnings by 100. I'm guessing you can 100x, and there's a lot of bots here, right? Spot grid is gonna sell it on the go. It's gonna sell the crypto on the go, and it's gonna buy the crypto on the go for you. DCA is for those who probably have a job and just want to buy over a period of time, and they're not, having the time or energy. So that's why nobody is using DCA, because most of the people using trading bots are actual traders. And if you're a DCA, you're just saying, okay, I believe crypto over time is going to go only up, so I'm going to buy it at this point, I'm going to buy it at this point, and my average price is going to be this and that, right? So be sure to smash that like button if you haven't already. I'll keep you guys updated with more news. Let's take example for Gala USDT. Right now, Gala USDT is super popular for this trading bot. There's 758 people following it. Profit and loss USD. As I understand, there's $36 that this trading bot made. Like this trading bot made $6,000, for example. Ethereum and USDT, it only has one copy here. So people are making future trading bots, and that's what I'm seeing right now. Like, people want a profit and loss percentage. They want a return. This man made 20K with a trading bot, and that's pretty cool, right? But if we look at down here, there's like a lot of trading bots that maybe made $68, things like that. And I think the pretty important thing is this better than copy trading? This is like not long term. In my honest opinion, trading bots aren't made for long term. They're made for short term. When you're sure, and the bot, if it does something stupid, right? If it sells when it thinks it's a bull run, and then the bull run comes after, you're messed up. The bot sells for you, and you got no one to blame. That's why a lot of traders, they don't use trading bots, because they have enough experience trading on their own to trade crypto for their own. But if you want also more content, and if you want to try out this bot, be sure to smash that like button. So the future grid is basically saying that Bitcoin or Ethereum is going to crash, and you bet your money that crypto is going to crash or go sky high, right? And spot is when you instantly buy it. So you actually own the crypto. And with the futures, the difference is you just predict that this price is going to go this and that. You don't actually own the crypto. And with futures, you can leverage. You can say, I'm going to borrow $200 to tell you that it's going to crash. I'm so confident I'm going to borrow, I'm going to put $20. I'm going to buy $200 from BYBIT. And DCA is like, oh, I'm just going to, do random stuff. And DCA is not the highest but in the end, you actually keep the cryptocurrency, right? So you don't have to sell any cryptocurrency, but you actually keep it. And I think that's pretty important. Like, DCA, select crypto, choose the cryptocurrencies. Like, for people who believe in crypto so far, they can actually make a DCA bot on your own. But I'm going to keep you guys updated on BYBIT trading bots and what exactly they are. It's a pretty cool feature they added. So if you want more content like this, be sure to smash that like button. I'm a BYBIT only channel, and I'll keep you guys in the news for more loop. Until next time, peace everyone.